Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize fonts in Google Chrome. So if you're using the Google Chrome and you want to customize the fonts, change the fonts, then let me show you how. Click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go down to the settings there. And on the left side, click on appearance. Now scroll down a bit and you will find towards the bottom it says customize fonts. Click on that. It's going to take you over here. Here you can easily go ahead and change the font size. If you want to change that, you will see here what it looks like. And the good thing about this section is that it shows you a little preview of what each changes will look like, right? So as you can see there, then you also have the minimum font, so you can see what size those are going to be as well. And you also have the standard fonts. You can click here and you can change that. You can also change, the second font here as well. You have multiple fonts that you can actually play around with, right? So you can choose whatever that look like. Even if you're using mathematical fonts as well, you can change which font it actually shows up in. So that's a really good thing there to basically play around with. So once you go ahead and you change them, guys, you don't even have to click save. It just is, and your fonts will be changed. So this is how you can quickly find the appearance and change your fonts or customize your fonts within Google Chrome.